Glock 19 binary. I might as well roll up.
Binary trigger. So you play Call of Duty? Did you play games as a kid?
Yeah.
Shooting games?
Yeah.
Was your trigger finger nice? So binary trigger, that's like something you like. If you got a nice trigger finger,
okay.
Legal way of using a switch is getting a binary trigger. You see, like
look how easy it is to just go from here to here.
What is he doing?
Yeah, that's lit.
He's beginning to believe.
So look, this ain't a switch. This is straight trigger action. Straight trigger fingers. The legal way of shooting a switch.
So if your cops catch you with that, is it gonna try to cook you?
No.
FBI, open up!
It's a binary trigger. Them Jones is completely legal. Completely legal. But the FRT triggers, with them Jones is somewhat legal. What? But if you get caught with that John, you're most likely go better.
What's your favorite gun? Like
my favorite gun.
And what do you think about the gun I got? Now I only got it because it was cheap. It was like cheapest option at times.
So my favorite gun, I say my favorite gun is the 19X.
You don't care how heavy the back is? You don't care about that?
No, heck no, because that 10 milli that we shoot today,
back the nigga up. It hit you, it's over.
Yeah, like bro was saying.
You gonna tend to that fucking injury.
Yeah.
like
bro was
shit.
saying, you really don't want to pull out on nobody. But if you do, you gotta kill him. Because in a way, if you injure him, you paralyze somebody, self-defending yourself, you could go to jail because they're paralyzed. You gotta pay something because they just paralyzed them. You didn't finish your job. Now they gotta do it. Trauma, whatever they call it.
PTSD.
Yeah, you feel me? Now
Trauma,
they can't walk no more. They got
right.
all this. Now you gotta pay for that. And they was trying to break an issue, but no matter what they was trying to do. So you really, if you're gonna shoot, you gotta shoot to kill.
Is that like legit? Like, would you give somebody that advice, or would you put a disclaimer on it? Like, all right, like is that law?
Basically, like
How? Hold on, bro. How?
I don't know. Is that would that hold up in court though?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
If in self-defense, don't shoot to injure nobody.
Right. Okay.
Don't shoot to injure. If you're going to self-defend yourself, you gotta shoot to kill, and you can't overkill. Then you still could go to jail. So you gotta within your 1-2 shots, you gotta be efficient. Like you can't go too crazy. So in all honesty, you gotta put them down.
We tired of playing with your ass, nigga. Today your ass is gonna die.
There ain't no other way around it.
It was like that one joint was $2,600. I got a picture of it.
I do too. I show my man's like, oh my god,
that shit look crazy. Yeah.
Now to think of it, Chantel, remember I said that a silencer? I should have grabbed that joint with the silencer on it. They had a big ass silencer. That joint was.
See, I never think to get those guns.
Oh my!
I don't know how to use them. Like,
John Wick.
I guess you just got exclusive there.
My favorite gun though. When I think about your gun, go back on that. My favorite gun, I say the 9X. The 19X it's just there's no.
About to put it up. Pull it up.
There's no recoil to it, bro. It's a 9mm. It ain't too big. It ain't too small. It's that something. It's an everything.
Do the sights help? I really don't be knowing what fucking shooting. So like, I can't. When I'm shooting, I can't even see the hole that I'm shooting.
Do you close your? Do you do this?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to.
Okay.
You're supposed to like be focused, and you're on that. So it's like this the sights, and you're looking in between them Johns, and there's the one in the middle. You're supposed to be able to focus on that John, and that's when you really know you're really locked in. Your 2 eyes dialed in on that one sight, and you aiming at the target. And then if you figure out it lined up, you shoot straight, and it goes up or down. You just got it might depend on how you hold it.
Right.
Like how he told you, don't hold it too tight. Like,
yeah, I like the advice that Kendall gave me. He was like, yo, that's the thing about guns. You can get whatever one you want. It's not like you can only
multiple.
have.
You can have
like, yo, you want that one, you want that one, you want that one. I'm like, man, that's a good joint.
That's what I want. A shotgun. I want an ARP. I want pistols.
I would stop grabbing gas to grab a gun. I can easily get it. You know what I mean?
That's probably so that's what like when I said I need to start soberly thinking like this thing is all the weed I bought. I could have 5,000. I could have hundreds of guns.
Real shit. You want to do that instead of grabbing flour? You grab a gun.
Yeah, 100%.
I can do that. Stop. Yeah. So the money that I would spend on flour is like, all right, let me put that to the side. I'm gonna grab a gun. So let's say I'm gonna grab a $600 gun. I'm gonna put away $600 worth of. That would be my first little discipline task. So I want to start being a little more sharp with my money when it comes to flour. Like I don't want to. I've been talking that shit, but now this is gonna help me. Like, all right,
even if
put this away to buy a gun.
Yeah. Even if you go get there's a 22.
I want one of them nice. I want some shit like that.
You don't. You really don't.
No.
You want one, but that scope alone, 800. Just the scope.
Oh,
just the scope. When you really get into guns, it's way worse than weed.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
See, I like that. I like the two-tone shit. I like the different color shit. Like, I mean, my man, E in the army. He could get you in the army too if you want to go to the army.
Could not.
Hell no.
I think I would go out there and they would be sending my tags right back. No, straight casket. It'll be over. I go to the army. I got everything around me to crash. You're teaching me everything I need just to go out there and push it down. I wouldn't want to go to that. Like, that ain't my objective. But woo, I'm going out there. I'm trying to be American sniper.
Live out your dreams.
Yeah, I'm American sniper status. I'm gonna go out there. You let me go get bodies for free.
Set records.
Yeah. You ever watch American Sniper?
I love war shit though. What? I'll tell you.
You gotta watch American Sniper. Me too, bro.
Shit be real.
You gotta watch American Sniper. I'm gonna just
we can
tell
watch
you.
it together. Pause.
What the fuck?